multiple functions you can cover up in this field. Year function. What does this function return? This function returns year part from the given date. Year part from the given date in the format y. Clear? Select. What is the syntax? Select year. If I have specified the date myself, what you will get? 2003. If I am using current date, suppose I am using select year cur date. What you will get? 2020. Current year is 2020 in my date. That's why the output is 2020. In the previous example, year is 2003. You will get 2003. Now, one more example I want to try here. Suppose we have a student table and we have a DOB column. DOB is date of birth, and you want to display the year of birth for all the students. What you will do? Year of birth for all the students. You will write the query like select year DOB from student. Clear? What you will get? Year of birth for all the students. Suppose we have a DOB column like this. Suppose 2006 0101, 2008 0231 28, 2004 01 30, 2007 01 20. Suppose this is my DOB column. Suppose in student table, what output you will get after executing this query? 2006, 2008, 2004 and 2007. Clear? If you want to give the alias here, you can give alias also. How? Select year DOB as year of birth from student. Clear? You can use this query like this also. Here, what is the column name? Year of birth. Year of birth. This way you can get the output. Clear? In MySQL. If you have MySQL in your systems, execute all these functions. If you execute all the functions, you get more practiced. Clear? And easily you can remember the working of that functions. Don't only learn the theory. Do the practical part also in your systems. Next is, after year function, we have day function. The number of function is, what is the number of function? 7 or 8. Next function is month. Which one is? Day. Day function. Write down the number yourself. I don't remember which one is the function number. Day. Day can be used as day of month. Day of month. What does this function returns? This function returns day part. This function returns day part. From the day part means DD part. In our date, YYYY, MM, DD, day part from the given date. Clear? And output will be 1 to, day part is always, maximum is 1 to 31. Clear? Select, suppose I have given, select day and I am using here current date, semicolon. What you will get? In my current date, which is the day 15. Clear? Output is 15. If I want to display the day part of the DOB, date of birth, I write here name of the column, day DOB from, what is the name of table here? Student. Clear? You write the day part for all. Day function returns the numeric output. Year function also returns the numeric output. And you should know the range also. Day function can return the number between 1 to 31. Because in a month maximum days are 31. Next is day name. Day name. This function returns name of the weekday. This function returns name of the weekday. It returns me the name of the weekday. Return will be, what type of return will be? Day name. You will get Sunday, Monday, like this. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, whatever the day on that date, it get returned. Clear? Next is query for this. Select day name, current date. Day name, current date. What you will get? Current date is current date. And what is the day name for current date? Today. Which day is today? Wednesday. You will get Wednesday. This is the working of day name. Suppose you want to know the birthday name. How you will find out? You know the date of birth. All of you know your date of birth. You want to display the name of the day. Then how you will? Select suppose your date of birth is, select day name. You have date of birth, suppose 2004 8/12 semicolon. You want to find out what is the day name on that date. You can find out with the help of this day name. Clear? What date it is? 12th August 2004. You know the date, but you don't know what is the day name on that day. So you can easily find out with the help of this function. I don't know what is the day name on 12th August. You can check in calendar. Clear?